Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the critical role of a consultant in construction claim management. Now, as a project management consultant in the construction and real estate industry, I have extensive experience in navigating construction claims. Join me as we explore the ins and outs of claim management and how consultants play a vital role. So let's get started. Before we dive into the role of a consultant, let's understand what construction claims entail. A construction claim is a formal request by one party, which could be contractor, subcontractor, or owner, seeking compensation for damages, delays, or other issues that arise during a construction project. Now let's delve into the essential role of a consultant in construction claim management and how they contribute to the process. Now, the consultants thoroughly assess and analyze construction claims, evaluating their validity, impact, and potential for resolution. This involves reviewing contracts, project documentations, and relevant data to develop a comprehensive understanding of the claim. Consultants also provide expert opinions and testimony to support their assessment of the claim. Their expertise and industry knowledge strengthen the credibility of the claim and can be instrumental in negotiations or legal proceedings. Consultants quantify the damages claimed, considering factors such as project cost, delays, disruptions, and additional expenses incurred. They use various methods and industry standards to determine a fair and accurate valuation. Consultants also assist in preparing and documenting the claim, ensuring that all necessary information is included and presented effectively. This includes organizing supporting evidence, crafting compelling narratives, and complying with legal and contractual requirements. Well, consultants also play a pivotal role in negotiating with the opposing party, seeking a fair and equitable resolution. Their expertise in construction contracts, project management, and industry practices helps navigate complex discussions and reach mutually beneficial outcomes. According to industry studies, projects that involve consultants in claim management have a higher chance of successful resolution and cost recovery. Research also shows that construction claims that involve consultants are often resolved faster, reducing project delays and minimizing financial impacts. Studies also indicate that the involvement of consultants in claim management leads to improved project relationships and reduced dispute among project stakeholders. In conclusion, the role of a consultant in construction claim management is indispensable. Their expertise, analysis, and guidance contribute to fair and efficient resolution, minimizing project risk and financial impacts. If you are involved in a construction claim, seeking the assistance of a consultant can greatly enhance your chances of achieving a favorable outcome. So thank you for watching today's video. If you found it valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel for more insights and industry updates. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy construction claim management.